Hello guys, so in this video we are converting this into this. So let's start. It is damn easy. So always first make one copy, Control plus J like this, name it copy, and now we have to do another copy. We have to make another layer. So here create new layer. Now we have this, name it glow, and now you have to do a pretty simple thing. Go like this. It doesn't have to be totally perfect, you can do it with lasso tool too, but I prefer pen tool for this type of curve things. Okay, now you have the selection. Now you're gonna just paint with white or a color similar to white like this, and now add a glow. If you want the glow, then size must be more than spread, and if you want to outline, the spread must be more than size. Now we're gonna add glow. This glow doesn't look any good, like this. No, yeah, green looks good. Opacity a little bit less. Inner glow too, just a little bit. And now change the blend mode. Change the blend mode to exclusive, and now we have the glowing glasses. And yeah, let's do this too. Add same effects. And now just draw. Like this. Wait. Draw like this. Make a selection. Now deselect.
12 seconds later.
Now like this, now this. Selection, brush, paint. We are done. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down what should I make next, and like this video, please.